we're going to look at how to solve force problems. So example 1 says, with what force will a rubber ball hit the ground if it has a mass of 0.25 kilograms? So remember that our formula is F equals ma, or force equals mass times acceleration. So the first thing to do is plug in the given values. So in this example, all we have to do is plug it in. Now, for this case, we know the mass, right? It tells us mass is 0.25 kilograms. So we're going to plug that in here. Now, it doesn't tell us acceleration, but it tells us that a rubber ball is going to hit the ground. So what force accelerates a ball down to the ground? Well, that's gravity. Okay? So gravity has an acceleration rate. It pulls everything down to Earth at 9.8 meters per second squared. So for acceleration, that's our value, since we're talking about a rubber ball that hits the ground. So we plugged in our given values, 0.25 kilograms times 9.8 meters per second squared. The next step is to just solve it. It's just simple multiplication. So if you plug in on a calculator 0.25 times 9.8, you get 2.45. So our answer is the force is 2.45, and then capital N for newtons. Okay, we have 2.45 newtons. So with what force will a rubber ball hit the ground if it has a mass of 0.25 kilograms? And that's 2.45 newtons. Example 2. With what force will a car hit a tree if the car has a mass of 3,000 kilograms and it is accelerating at a rate of 2 meters per second squared? So just like example 1, our first step is to plug in the given values. In this one, we know that mass, it tells us, is 3,000 kilograms, and it tells us acceleration is 2 meters per second squared. So force is 3,000 times 2. So you plug that in to solve, and when you multiply it, it comes out to 6,000. So with what force will the tree hit the car? 6,000 newtons. And that is how you solve force problems given mass and acceleration.